What's going on, guys? Gabe with Review Dork, and it's quote time. The risk is better than the regret. Don't miss your opportunity. And you know what? That applies not only to just AMC or GME, but the broader market. And I happen to think that we are in a world of opportunity right now, because if we look at the NASDAQ, it's red. S&P, red. Dow, red. Bargains to be had everywhere. Now, if you have the ability to diversify your portfolio, now's the time. And in fact, if you would like for me to review certain equities and certain stocks and would like my opinion for me to cover in the morning, leave the ticker in the comment. However, if you see that a ticker you want reviewed has already been mentioned, just hit a like under that comment. The ticker with the most likes is what I will be covering in the morning. But there's tons of opportunity out there, and well, we know the thesis. Shorts haven't covered. However, we go to Iceberg or Ice Lettuce, and they had some interesting things to say in a 4-part tweet. Recovered our AMC shorts, down 30% from our initial position. We agree with the apes when they demand more transparency on the role of market makers and meme sagas. Payment for order flow structurally generates conflict of interest, but there's frequent confusion between market makers and activist short sellers. And you know what? I actually agree with them on that. Because I'm not a hedgie and I'm not a market maker, but I will go short on an equity when I feel it's gone way too damn high. And I've talked about when stocks go way too damn high. If it just runs up over a 45-degree angle, chances are what goes up must come down. Gotta love gravity. It hurts. Confusion is often spread by YouTube profits. Their business model is not to be right anyway. So they're taking a jab at Trey and Matt. I just feel like that's totally unnecessary. I think those guys have been very, very instrumental in, keeping this movement just going, right? But then they sort of kind of like sign off with, we may reopen shorts later. And we expect you to. It's the market. It goes up, it goes down. People are short the stock because they believe it's going to go down. When we look at the stock currently, we can see we are in the battle of 801. This here is the line of demarcation, guys. 37.75. This is at or about where the shorts piled in over 70 days ago. And I said that this here was hella important. But what happened during the intraday? Because everyone got really, really excited during intraday. We ran from 36.30 to 38.66. Now, this is a swing trader, day trader's dream. They're in and out of here like, I'm in and out of hookers. It's just, there's money to be made. However, we know you have the conviction in your diamond handing. Long term, we expect AMC to moan. Why? The shorts have not covered. And we know that. And we maintain that thesis 20.49%. With that being said, each and every week we have some new layer or catalyst as to what's going to cause AMC to squeeze. Let's keep it really simple here. What causes AMC to squeeze? You have some people who say, I like the stock. They buy it. They buy some more. All right, hedgies get pinched, especially at 38. They then have to buy back the stock. Creates buying pressure. Then you got other investors jump in. FOMO, right? More buying pressure. Then other hedgies get pinned at 40, 50, 60. More buying pressure. Other investors jump in. FOMO. And the cycle continues as there's upward pressure. All this theory and speculation that's being drawn up has nothing to do with the stock. In fact, that speculation does nothing for the price action. It does something for the price action, buying 100 shares or more and creating that buying pressure and showing your enthusiasm for the stock. That's what's going to cause the short squeeze. We're not going to wait for another DTC rule or SEC or the government to intervene. We're not going to wait for any of that. I really can't say anything more about the stock. In fact, I find it really, really irritating that we have to create additional narratives just to get people on YouTube to watch our videos. So in conclusion, guys, when we're on the daily and we look at the chart, we see a couple of things. We still want RSI to cross over 50, and we can see that the bearish trend is coming to an end. Once we have the MACD line and the signal line crossover, we should see more bullish movement. Up 6 cents today. Hey, I'm not mad. Still green. I'd rather see green than red. Anyways, guys, this is Gabe with Review Dork. I'm signing out. Love you all. Peace.